Welcome back to my corner of the internet, guys. I am the Lucid Dream, and today we have a frauditor who calls himself Gen X Audits. And I think I can safely say, as a Gen Xer myself, we don't claim this jackass. First and foremost, thank you to all of my channel members and subscribers. Without you, I would not be here. So as always, every day, thank you. Let's go ahead and get into it.
We have take 5, oil change place. Always gonna have a lot of these around too. Oil change and car washes everywhere. And when's the last time you had your car taken to a mechanic? If you're like me, it's been a while, but since you have, you'll notice they're a lot busier. Oh, why is that? Why are they busier? They're busier because people are holding on to their cars now. You know, oh, what do we have here? Oh, could this be our first dare in the wild? Let's see. What should I use? Excuse me? Oh, I have to record everywhere I go, but my wife thinks I'm cheating, so she makes me record everywhere I go.
I appreciate it if you don't record my shop, though. Okay?
That's okay. This is a public sidewalk. I'll record it. I'll record it. Sorry. You think you'd want to publicize your shop? Wow. Karen's in the wild. I say Karen's because he didn't deserve the Darren moniker. He backed off when he saw me. When he got closer to my scruffy looking ass, he kind of backed off. Recording this, yeah. Recording this. Now we'll stay a while. Okay, we were gonna move, but now we'll stay a while. A beautifully landscaped shop. I doubt he has anything to do with that. He says my shop. Is it really your shop, buddy? Or do you manage the shop? Which one? Hey, he didn't even laugh at my joke. My wife makes me record everywhere I go now because she thinks I cheated on her. I mean, I thought that was decent. No reaction. It just goes to show you they don't give a fuck what you say. You know, there's listening and there's just talking over. And I'm guilty of talking over too. I do it a lot. And I'm conscious of that, and I've started trying to change that. So, and hopefully I am doing that. But you'll know. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Let's zoom in on him. Look at him. Ooh, he's big mad. Big mad. How dare that guy with a camera record my Take 5 oil change shop on a beautiful sunny day. Oh, it's terrifying.
So this guy, for some reason, has a hard-on for oil change places. There were several of those kinds of videos. This one in particular had been robbed recently. So that is why they are on edge. And that makes complete sense. Now, do we know for a fact that this guy knew this beforehand? No. Do I think that he knew? Yeah, absolutely. I think that he knew. I think he knew he would get a reaction. He kind of reminds me of Pacific Northwest Transparency or KUNT News. Same kind of frauditor. They harass the general public. They have absolutely no purpose in life and are just bored. And this is what they choose to do with their time.
Anyways. Yeah, he didn't find them. Yeah, they don't, you can see it in their eyes that they're really listening. And that's why I like Impact Media. He has a way of at least trying to chip through the ice. He tries. He chips through. When they ask, he says, "Do you really want to know?" And makes them say, "Yes, I really want to know." But then immediately they run out and, oh, this is going to be good. Immediately they either run off or... Oh, cool. Cool.
Unless if you're recorded, you're going to have to leave.
Oh, look at this guy violating my rights.
Actually, this is all public property. So
This is a public sidewalk.
I'm not arguing.
And I will film on it. Then we'll just do this all day.
So I will.
I've got the whole day. I've got the whole day. You're famous right now, buddy.
That's perfectly fine. I'll be famous all day long for you, partner.
Famous on YouTube, but he's hiding his face.
No, I'm covering your camera. That's what I'm doing.
Back up off me, bro.
I ain't going nowhere. This is my property. You can leave.
This is public
This
sidewalk.
is my property. As long as that sign's there, you can leave.
Okay, but you step over here to my sidewalk, we're gonna have some fucking issues.
You ain't gonna do shit.
What's your name so they can let you know at home? So everybody in America can...
I ain't gonna tell you shit, Pipper.
Aw, pathetic little loser has to flip off the sign when the guy can't see him. Poor baby. And he thinks a private citizen can violate his rights. This one is obviously not the brightest crayon in the box.
Again, get it out of my face, dude.
No, sir.
You're in my personal... You're in my personal
I don't
space.
give a fuck if I'm in your presence,
And if you're
sir.
in my personal space...
You're supposed to be up here recording.
If you know the
That's
laws,
perfectly
I
fine.
am
Okay,
supposed
sir.
to be up here
You got a
recording.
problem, call the police.
I am supposed to be up here recording. This is a public sidewalk. Do you
got a
not
problem, call the police.
do you not believe in the First Amendment?
I don't give a shit about your rights, cuz.
You don't care about the First Amendment.
I don't give a shit about
Okay,
your
you heard it
rights.
here. Commie who doesn't care about our country, doesn't care about our constitutional rights,
There's a lot of yapping and bullshit.
doesn't care about our rights or our First Amendment.
You standing in front of an oil change shop recording.
I'll record it from over here at this property. You heard it here first, people. This is his property, public sidewalk.
Stay off my shit.
Is
Good day.
this guy's
Good day.
property?
Stay off my shit. Good day. Good day, sir. Get off my property. I'm gonna call the police.
You can call the police. I'll educate you.
Oh, that's
As a matter of fact, call him. Call him.
Anything with this sign? What's
Call
up
him.
here?
Call him right now.
Good day, sir.
Call him.
Good day, sir.
Please call him so I
Good day, sir.
can embarrass you even more on
Don't embarrass
YouTube.
me. I'm not gonna give zero fucks either way. Good day.
It's a thing called a First Amendment
I don't
audit.
give a fuck about your First
Maybe you
Amendment,
should
kid.
look it up
I don't
on
give a fuck about your
YouTube.
First Amendment, your crime, sorrows. I don't give a
Well,
shit.
welcome. Do I sound like I'm crying? Welcome to the Darren Club.
I don't give a fuck about your shit, kid.
We'll just go over here on the Smoothie Kings
That's perfectly fine.
public sidewalk.
Good day. Good day.
That was fun. There's the chief in there. The chief in there.
I'm standing for your ass all day long, sir.
Okay. When the cops get here now, you'll be in trouble for
That's cool of
trespassing on their
That's cool of
property.
I know the owner's a Smoothie King. Nice try. Bullshit. I know every owner on this lot. It's a good day. It's so bullshit.
Now, you can know every owner. They still can't do shit.
Yes, they can. They can do anything they want. They can ban you from the premises. Anything.
They can't ban me from a public sidewalk, dude. I do this for a living,
You
man.
sure are getting upset.
I do this for a living.
You sure are getting upset.
It's called
I could care
content.
less.
It's called content.
I could care less.
My views keep going up and up and up because of you.
Go cry about it somewhere else.
Because of you. And one day down the line, you'll look back on your
I'm not gonna get too fucked
behavior
up.
right now, and you'll go,
SRO.
why the hell was I so upset?
Somewhere else.
Why was I so upset about a camera?
Nobody cares about your property.
It's not a problem.
Well, apparently you do if you're recording shit.
And you're the one calling names. I haven't called you a name.
I don't give a fuck. Quit recording my finger.
Why you got to go to names?
I can do whatever the hell I want on my premises.
I can do whatever the hell I want on my public sidewalk, which
That
my
sounds like your problem, not
my
mine.
tax dollars pay
That sounds like
for.
your problem, not mine. Good day.
Which my tax dollars
That
pay
sounds
for.
like your problem, not mine. Good day.
Okay, well I damn sure won't be getting my oil changed at
Goodbye.
Take
I
5.
don't give a fuck.
And
If there ever was a Karen statement, that is it. Well, I'm sure not going to get my oil changed at Take 5. They're going to rue the day they hurt me. Bitch, get over it. They aren't going to miss your $60 for your oil change. I promise you. Take 5 will be just fine without you.
And anybody else who knows,
I could care
anybody
less.
else who,
I could care
all my
less.
viewers, let's not go to Take 5.
Less.
Let's not go to Take 5
I could give a fuck
because they're
less.
the most unprofessional people you've ever seen in your life. Don't give them your business. Take 5. Good stuff. Wow. All right.
What? All right, bitch.
Then
I get paid to do this
good.
shit. Don't cry.
Good. Then what happens when the cops come? You get
I'm
arrested.
not scared of you.
You get
I'll
arrested.
get back
Don't
to
be
me.
scared of me.
I got
You don't
plenty of
have to
money
be
to get
scared
rid
of me.
Plenty of money to
When
get
the
rid
cops
of. Don't cry
come,
about it.
you will be
Don't
arrested
cry
for
about it. I don't give a fuck.
harassment.
You're crying. You're the only one that's crying. Go ahead. I got plenty of bail money.
Hey
I don't give a
viewers.
fuck.
Hey viewers, who's crying?
You.
Is it me?
You're the one recording, you cry baby.
Is it me or is this guy who's called me every name in the book and following me down onto other people's property?
Show him, because as soon as you put that camera on Take 5, I'm going to block that mother.
Remember that, guys. Take 5. That's their attitude.
Yep, so is. Stand by, standing on your bullshit.
Professional. Professional.
Keep going. Keep walking. We can walk all day.
Maybe it'll get up to corporate, this kind of behavior.
Home, cuz.
Yeah, you might be home permanently tomorrow.
I don't care. That's how you bullshit out for it. Have a good day. Go on somewhere and goodbye.
Public sidewalk. We're on Whitten Road, and that's the Take 5 on Whitten Road. I wonder if they're a national chain. I guess we'll find out when we get home. We'll look it up.
Ooh, nobody gives a shit. Look at it.
Send the video. Send the video to corporate.
Go ahead, send it to him. I don't give a fuck. You know who it's going to go to? My goddamn phone. So nice try.
Did you hear that? Corporate is going to go to his goddamn boss.
Okay, there you go, boy. There you go.
If you step foot on our property, we can beat his ass.
Oh God.
Oh, God.
You step
On
foot
the
on my
sidewalk, we can't
property,
do
I'm
shit.
beating your ass.
First off,
I don't
even
give
if
a
I
fuck.
step,
Shut your mouth. You
even
go
if
do
I
shit.
step on your property
You good over
and you
there.
beat my ass,
So good.
guess
You
what
step on
happens
my
next?
property, I ain't scared.
You go to jail for assault.
Good, I got a bond. I'll pay it out. I ain't worried about it.
You have no permission to be recorded, sir.
It's
At
a
all.
public sidewalk.
Alright, so keep it moving then.
All
Move
the
my
way.
nuts,
Keep
man.
it moving. All the way.
Move these nuts.
Keep it moving.
Crazy ass Darren's up in this.
Damn right. We goons all day.
Just look like the kind of guys that'll add 1 quart and say they changed your oil. Yeah, actually, I've heard they do that. Add 1 quart and then say they changed your oil and charge you $100. I need a thumbnail. Is this a good thumbnail for the video that's going to get 20,000 views tonight? Nice beard.
Not only did this video not get 20,000 views that day, it's a month old and it's gotten 7,000 total. So no, not even close. Notice he keeps coming back though. So at this point, it's all just about harassment. Not that it wasn't in the first place, but he's coming specifically back to this one business for harassment purposes, only for content. He's already said it. What a loser.
Okay, let it be known that I have asked them to step away and they continue to follow me, which constitutes harassment.
You continue to record. That's harassment.
Right, in first bound.
No expectation of privacy in public.
It doesn't matter. If you don't have permission to record our business, you have permission to record.
That's just not true, man.
Yes, it is.
I wish you knew the law a little better.
Or our faces for that matter.
No, okay, so if you're filming in Disney World and you take a picture, do you go and ask all those people back there if you can have their permission to use their face? Do you do that? This is a public sidewalk. I can record anything I can see. Here they are guys, frickin' frack. And anything I can see from the sidewalk. I just really wish y'all would call the police. Okay, one of them's name's Cam, the other one doesn't have a Cam and Zach. Okay. It's funny that your name's Cam, since a Cam is going to be the one that gets you fired.
Nobody really cares.
Isn't that interesting, y'all? The guy's name's Cam, and a Cam is going to be what gets him fired. 2 more threats of assault. Go on these nuts. Oh, they're homophobes. They're homophobes too. I just want a cop to come by. I'm gonna wait here till a cop shows up.
Go ahead. How you part of talk and take you brought your ass out here. You know my
It's about you being educated. Yeah, it's what I do for a living. It's what I do for a living.
Good day, sir. This ain't your living. This is our living that we worry about. Take your ass on somewhere.
You're the one that came up to my camera. What the talking about?
Take your ass on somewhere, fool.
This motherfucker about take your ass on, and we're trying to work. Yet they come up to my camera. And they hide their faces like that's going to help. You got their names, you got their threats of assault. I never said suck my dick. I never said suck my dick. I'm having a great day. The likes.
Sir, we have permission from all 3 businesses on this road.
The likes and quicks keep going up. I'm having a great day. Me too.
You go and you step foot on our property, you gonna get the business.
Oh,
We already told you
step
that.
foot in the grave.
One more time till what?
Take your fucking ass on down the street.
One more time till what?
Take your fucking ass down
No.
the street, bro.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get out of my face.
Fuck. Get the fuck on somewhere, mother.
Jail today?
You on the same sidewalk I'm on, bitch.
So being on the sidewalk means you can assault someone?
I ain't assault you. I ain't touched you.
If you
bitch.
come too close to me, that's called battery.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No, I gotta touch you for it to be battery.
That's not true.
Yeah.
It's not true.
Yeah.
And it's also harassment.
You're harassing me, you stupid.
Public
Video him.
sidewalk.
I'll break the shit out
Public
your phone.
sidewalk. You do that.
Yeah.
Do that. See what happens. You'll be owing me. You'll be owing me $1,500.
Take your tree hugging ass on somewhere.
Tree hugging ass. Okay.
Take your fucking old
I'm
ass.
not a tree hugger, but I can hug this light pole.
Take your
You
fucking
want me to
ass
hug
on,
the light
find
pole? Will
something
that make you
better
feel
to
better?
do. Find something to do. Take your ass in front,
Say
in
hi,
front of
Mom.
my shop.
The world sees you.
I don't give a hope the world sees you're a dumb fuck.
Oh, they can see that too. I'll let them be.
Ass off.
I'll let them be the judge of
Don't
that.
go back and
I'll walk right wherever I want
you
to.
won't.
You bet I won't walk on a public sidewalk. You bet you want to bet I won't walk on a public sidewalk,
Bet.
bitch.
Bet.
Assault me.
Bet.
Assault me.
Assault
Go to
you.
jail, lose your job.
I ain't going to jail,
You ain't going to jail? In public sidewalk, you mother. Who are you, a commie?
Don't fucking worry
I can
about
film
it.
whatever the I want to, fuck you piece of shit.
Okay.
Out of my face.
Come on in. Get mad,
Here I
motherfucker.
go.
Do
I'm on your sidewalk.
Do something.
On your public fucking sidewalk.
Step 1 foot.
No,
straight.
no, you said on the sidewalk.
Step 1 foot
You
right
said on the sidewalk.
here. Step 1 foot
You
right here.
said on the
And I'll
sidewalk.
smack the shit out of you.
What? If I step on the sidewalk
Step in this grass, I will.
and you go to jail.
No, this is my motherfucker.
Have I been
Let me
trespassed?
tell you something.
Have I been
Don't
trespassed?
matter. I done asked you to leave this property twice.
Have I been
I done
trespassed?
asked you to leave this property twice.
Too bad. I'm right here.
Uh-huh.
You notice the cops have come by and none of them have stopped?
I don't
You know why?
I don't give a f. I don't see you recording, motherfucker.
Y'all did.
Fucking bitch. Take your fucking ass on and find something better to do.
Paid for this bitch.
Give a fuck. You like-
And you're
you like-
making
you like-
you're making
you
my
like-
views go way
Oh,
up.
I don't give a fuck. you're making my views go way up.
Well, you're getting ready to lose your job too.
Okay, bet.
I gave you an opportunity to come out and apologize
Fuck you. What am I gonna apologize to you for?
for trying to violate First Amendment rights.
Wow. Okay, so this guy is definitely kind of next level stupid. Does someone want to explain to him how that actually works? Because not it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We're going to cut the video here. He does wander around for a little bit more, but it's all the same thing. He does absolutely nothing, and eventually he wanders away in shame because he accomplished nothing except harassing an oil change business. That's it. He did nothing with his life today. He certainly didn't make any money. As much as he wants everybody to think that he's making a living off of this, he's making $1,000 a year, if that. Give me a break. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you would like to see, and I will catch you on the next one.